Welcome back to another video, and we will solve question number 3 of exercise 2.2 maths ncert. So question 3, let me select the pen first. Yeah. So question number 3 is given as tan inverse under root of 1 plus x square minus of 1 upon x, where x do not belong to 0. So this is the question, and you have to remember this one formula, and which is if any were given as ax plus x square, then put x is equals to a tan theta or a cot theta, right? List of these important formula putting, or you can say value putting thing, I will be adding into the description. You can check there. Okay, as of now just use this. So here we can say into under the root 1 plus x square. Can we write it 1 plus x square as a square plus x square, where a is 1 and x square is as it is. So into the next step, let's write it. Tan inverse under 1 plus and x square as a tan theta, where a is 1. So we can write 1 plus tan square theta minus of 1 upon tan theta, right? Sorry, minus of 1. You can check it. Sorry. And next step, we'll write 1 plus tan square theta. So let us x is equals to tan theta, right? And theta is equals to tan inverse of x. And we also know that 1 plus tan square theta is equals to sec square theta. Sec square theta. So we'll put here tan inverse into sec square theta minus of 1 upon tan theta. Now it is under root, so we will directly write it as a sec theta. Tan inverse sec theta minus 1 upon tan theta. Now we know that one formula as well. Trigonometry is full of formulas. You have to remember that sec theta is equals to 1 upon cos theta, right? So we'll put here, and tan theta is equals to sin theta upon cos theta. Let me add it to another page. So in the next line, tan inverse 1 upon cos theta minus of 1 upon sin theta by cos theta. Now we'll take the LCM and we'll directly write it as a tan inverse, tan inverse 1 minus cos of theta divided by sin theta. Okay, so we'll write here, and next into the next step we'll solve. Let me do it. We know other formula, 1 minus cos of theta, which is equals to 2 sin square theta by 2. And sin theta has two formula as well, and let me write it down there. Maybe it will take space. Two sin theta by 2 and cos theta by 2. You can use it also, okay, if you want to note it down. note here. So now we'll put this and this into this equation. Okay. Let me, tan inverse 1 minus cos of theta upon sine theta. Okay. So tan inverse 2 sine square theta by 2. From here, in place of 1 minus cos theta and 2 sine theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. From here, in the place of sine theta. Now we'll cut this to equation 2, and it is a square, so we have to cut it one time, so it will be sine theta by 2. Now tan inverse sine theta by 2 upon cos theta by 2. Sine theta by cos theta we know as tan theta. So here tan inverse tan theta by 2. Cut this 2 and the answer will be theta by 2, where we have written theta is equals to tan inverse x in the above. So now the answer will be 1 by 2 tan inverse of x. This is the simplified form. You can note it down, and if you want the PDF, I will also provide you the PDF of the whole solution. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 4. Question number 4 given as tan inverse of 1 upon 1 minus cos of x upon 1 plus cos of x, where x is greater than 0, less than pi. Sorry, I have to write here where x is greater than 0, less than pi. Let's solve it. We know that 1 minus cos of x is equals to 2 sine square x by 2, right? And 1 plus cos of x is equals to 2 cos square x by 2. These are the two important formulas we will use in this so that we can solve. So into the next step, we can write tan inverse under root of 2 sine square x by 2 divided by 2 cos square x by 2. This root is of whole. Maybe it's not working good. There's some problem with network connection, I guess. That's why I'm not able to properly record it. But let's try. Tan inverse root 2 sine square x by 2 divided by 2 cos square x by 2. And tan inverse here we'll remove, because both are in a square, so we will remove the under root, square root we will remove, and we will write sine x by 2 divided by cos x by 2. And we know that sine by cos, we know it is tan x by 2. So tan inverse tan x by 2. Now 2 cut this 2, and now answer will be x by 2. So the answer for the question number 4 is x by 2. Let's move on to another question in the another video.